If you want to adjust a playback video speed on YouTube, like to slow the video or to speed up the video, like that stuff, open YouTube app and just open the video you want to do this process. I just open one of our video, then click settings and you can see this option playback speed. In default it will be selected to 1x normal. So this is the normal, original speed. If you want to speed up, you just move the slider to right side. So maximum you can speed up 2x, or you can use the control like 1.25, 1.5, 1.2 like that. If you want to slow up the video, you just need to move to left side like this. So this is how you need to speed up the video on YouTube. And if you want to know more updates about YouTube, watch this video.